Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover the email management hacks where we can effectively manage our email accounts either on desktop, mobile, and on laptop. We will be covering the spam emails and creating a new filters and applying filters and advanced search and how to modify a filter and how to apply the important messages to our emails and where the spam and phishing emails actually originated. So we will be covering it. So let's tune. So switch on the your Gmail inbox first. So let's talk about the spam first. So in the left hand side corner in the more drop down, you can click on that and you can see the spam folder. So let me to introduce you what the spam is. Spam is the unwanted email where you can say if any person or any organization for their sale of their product and other services, they take the database, purchase the database from any other companies and shoot up the mails to every recipient where you are the one of the recipient and you receive the email in your inbox. So let's suppose if you receive the email in your inbox, then definitely you can filter it out that whether you are actually knowing that originator or recipient or not, you are knowing that person, you are knowing that company or not. If not, then you can simply mark that email to spam, right, by checking on that and you can see there is a option spam, report spam. So if you click on the report spam means like somebody unwantedly just sent me the email, so that I don't want that. So you can report it spam and you can report it as an report spam and unsubscribe also. So let's do it once the report spam. Once you will do the report spam, you can again go to the down side of the more options and click on the spam. You can see this Google email has been coming to the spam. So if you later on think that okay, you know that person, somebody that called you, okay, I have sent you the email, something like that, so then you can move it simply not spam, it will originate back to the inbox, right? So let's go to the spam folder and you can say there are some options like we can subscribe and unsubscribe the emails. So let's I would like to show you. Let's go to the promotion and just I have received this email from Canva. Welcome to Canva. See, you can see if you think that this is the unwanted email, then you can simply unsubscribe it. So if you click on the unsubscribe it, you will have the two options, cancel and then unsubscribe. You can unsubscribe it. This will remove the email from the recipient, the sender's database, where their server having an email list, that your email will be removed from that email list. So next time your email will not be received. So if you click on unsubscribe, simply cancel it, or you can simply go to the downside. If there will be a link found, then unsubscribe link. So you can also unsubscribe that email from this link also, right? If you will click on that, it will take you to another side and you will see the screens like that, the sorry to see you, okay, you are being unsubscribed. So next time that sender will not send you because the email address has been removed from the email list of that sender server. Yeah, so this way the spam we can manage our unwanted emails and spams. So if you think that the email is important, then you can mark is not spam and yeah. So next thing is that I'm talking about who the spammer is, like from where that email actually comes. If you want to know, just go back to the spam folder and see I have just forwarded this email. See in here in this email, spam email, I have received the email that you have won some lotteries and all. You just click on it and your donation code is something like that. So don't be ever trapped into these kind of emails. Instead, you just immediately report or unsubscribe it as soon as there. It may contain viruses and it may contain some cookies, and it may install some services on your laptop or computer or mobile devices where they can read out the cookies and can take your important informations like bank account and all other date of birth and all the passwords, etc. So now to avoid this, what you have to do is like to see where this Mavis Venkanij has actually sent this email from. So we have to click on this header uh, on the three dotted boxes, and we should click on show original, and then you can see this is the header delivered to this email address and received by this at this time. These are the packets, and these are the headers ARC authentication, and where this mail from. See, last email I have been sent it from here. I have forwarded it, and so I mean all the details you can see, the ex Google signatures and all. So what you have to do is that you have to copy to clipboard, and you can Google it out to IP2 location. Let me to search IP2 location. So once you type in IP2 location, you can click on the first website, IP2 location, and inside that it will ask you to log in, but just you can use the try demo version, and you can place the request, the header request that we have copied here in this box here, lookup box here, IP address string. So you have to click on the lookup. So within a few second or time interval, it will give you some information. So I have already captured the information, so you can see like that. See, it will tell you that the IP address, your country is from India, region Delhi, you are using the ISP Airtel. Yeah, I've been the broadband connection of Airtel. It will show you the time, domain, net speed, and etc. Zip code, weather. Yeah, there are some other bots information, Slack bot, Reddit bot, Telegram bot. So this way you can find out and track the recipient, and can avoid and can safely manage your email with the spam or phishing kind of emails in your email box of Gmail. Yeah. So coming to the next, how we can arrange our email as some important start or something like that. So let me to go to some of the folder inner cam, and see, there is a star options. Star, you can click 2 or 3 stars here, right? So let's say these are the very important emails, you can make it star, and so that whenever your email box getting full day by day, so you can simply just go to this check boxes, and under that check boxes select start email. So once you will select the start email, your all emails will get selected, and you will get to know that which email were very highly important to me. Yeah, similarly we can apply, we can select none, we can select all, then all select all will be selected, all read. So all emails that has been read are got selected, all unread emails, so there are no unread emails, starred and unstarred. So unstarred emails will be selected now. So if you will check the starred, then only starred email will be selected. Yeah, this way you can manage that. So next I'm going to create a filter. Let's suppose I have in the main primary inbox there are 3 email of Google. I would like to pass it to the Google one. There is a one label I have created. I just want that these 3 emails were get it into the Google one or Google, because I have been already created that. So let me to show you how to create the filter. So let's suppose I have selected one email. In the top right corner, in the more options, you can click on the filter messages like that. So from or subject, so whatever the subject you have seen here, let's say you have subject reminder or tell us something you have seen, or you can copy it that you have received from the no reply from the Google. You just need to copy it out, the one of the common parameters while creating the filter. So let me to go again, filter messages like that. So you have to give the email address from no account, no reply at accounts.google.com, right? So list of the include words that can contain much lesser, we can remove it first, because this should not be matched with the other email. There may be a case, because this is the GUID kind of things that will not match with the other emails. So we'll show you an example. So now let's create the filter. Let's create a filter, and you can see the skip the inbox. Like, it should not remain visible in the inbox. Instead, it should apply the level, any level, right? I can create it here. See, I have the already 5 filters are here, so I will create the new filter here, like Google one, right? So I will create it. So what this means is that I have created another folder. So whenever the Google will send the email to me from this account, no reply at accounts.google.com. so what I am going to do is that I will skip it from the inbox. It will not go to the inbox, but instead it will go to the folder Google one. And also apply filter to the 16 matching conversation. See, it is finding out the all other emails from the Google folder as well. So let's see, I am applying for all emails for this category where the input parameter is at no reply at accounts.google.com. I mean, whatever the email, whenever the email from this email address will come, it will goes to here, right? So I will have the also apply for 16 matching. So I will create a filter now, right? So let's see the email has been, the filter has been applied. So I can see the Google one. So see, from the Google one itself, it is copied and pasted all the Google email where the email is the no reply from the Google, no reply at accounts.google.com emails is there. I mean, from the Google side, every email has been routed back to the Google one folder. So in this way you can manage your email. This is very important highly when you are working in organization and you are receiving the email from your project manager and from one of the system services, Jira kind of services. Okay, the IT notifications, any notification you can put it, where a lot of emails are coming time to time, like 5 or 10 second or whatever in interval, multiple intervals. You can create your folders and just create a filters and mark it there, right? So in this way you can manage all your folders and emails. Yeah. So coming to the next one, how you can update or modify or delete the created filter. Say I have created that filter on Google one. So go to this setting option and click on all settings. Once you will see the all settings, you have to go to the filter and block messages, and here I have been applied multiple filters. So last filter that I have selected here, matches from no reply at account.google.com. so I can edit it or either delete it. You can effectively manage that. Yeah. And coming to the next one, how we can do some advanced kind of searching. So see, at the top of the search email, you can find anything, inner cam or outer cam or whatever the text you will search, it will filter out all the emails from that based on that search box. So you have the right, if you go to the right hand side, then you have to see that show search options. You have to click on that. You can filter it out from option from where the email actually comes, the sender. You can type it, the sender email address. You can have type some subjects, whatever the unique subject is there. You can either type in some what the words include in that email or subject, or what doesn't have, or any size, like you have to put it like 1 MB email, or there is some attachment comes, or 1 MB, 2 MB or 3 MB, whatever, etc. As attachment, you have to click on the attachment and don't include charts and search all emails, right? Inbox start, in which folder you have to search it. Yeah. So in that way you can search it and create the filter. So once you will create the filter, you again show it here. So let me to add some here. Let me to show you. Right, so this way it is showing there are no matching record also applied, so you can create the filter. This will show you no existing messages matched to your criteria. So like in that way you can search it and filter it out and either delete your email. So if you are having running out of your space from the Google Drive or any Gmail boxes, so you can effectively manage that. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. There is one more case is that if you have heard about the passkeys are importantly that are the two-step authentication that has been done if you are working, if you are setting your Wi-Fi cameras or all, so you can have set up the email address of Google and you do not have to enter the password, but instead you have to pass the passkeys, because that are the third party access app. So any third parties application that are using your Google account, that must use the passkeys. Yep, thank you. So let me to go to manage your account, security. You can see the passkey. I have created already one passkey, so you can create your own passkey. It will ask you the user ID and password, and this will give you some small letter text. It's a long text that you have to pass it or save it on your email address so that you should not forget it, and you have to pass it into the cam app, where mobile app, where you are actually viewing the online cameras, where email settings, inside that you have to pass as a password, pass it as a password, so your test server, your email will be shouted, or all steps will be done. You will be authenticated through this passkey. So